let me show you, or let me guide you how you can get content idea from within the YouTube Studio itself. So if you go to YouTube Studio, you go to Analytics on your YouTube Studio, you have this research tab. So this research tab will provide you the topics on which you can create content. There is a search box where you can search for some topics. For example, if I search how to create, for example, how to create YouTube. Now I will just go ahead with this search term and see. So you have all these ideas. These are topics where people are searching for, and these topics have a high search volume, but it does not show you the competition. It shows you that it is a highly searched term. How to create YouTube channel, how to create YouTube channel create. That means creating a YouTube channel, and how to create thumbnail on YouTube. So these are the trending topics, or these are the topics where people are searching. So this research tab is based on the searchability of contents on YouTube. It is not about virality, it is about searchable content. So if you want to create contents which are searchable, which comes on search, then you can use this research tab to get some idea on which you create content. For example, you can write something based on the topic that you are interested in, or based on the topic your channel is based on, and then go to this research tab and search for ideas, search for topics where you can create content. So it gives you a lot of topic ideas where you can create content. So you can go ahead with these pages. You can go ahead with these pages. So here you don't get much of a specific thing on which you will create content, because these are very broad topics, where these are very common topics and all. So if you, for example, let me put one specific custom notification on Samsung. For example, I am putting this. You don't get much of a search result. Now, if I put this custom notification on Android, I'm just showing you an example. If I put this custom note, you can see that there is something called content gap. So if your search term returns you with something like this, content gap, that means there is very less number of content available for this particular search term. So if you see a content gap along with something like low, that is not one of that you require, that you need. And if you see content gap as well as search volume on YouTube high, then it is a very good idea to create content on that kind of a topic, because that content topic has been searched highly and there is a content gap. That means you can fill the gap by making new content on that particular topic. So this is how you can use the research tab, which is newly added to YouTube Studio dashboard, and it is also now available in the Android app. I'm using Android phone, that is why I know about the Android app. I don't know whether that is available in the iOS version of the YouTube Studio. I think it will be mostly available, because iOS is way more advanced in terms of updates than Android for the applications, which are very common. And this research tab has some of the other things, like your viewers. Suppose you have a channel, you have an audience already. So it will also give you what your viewers are searching for. So these are some of the topics where you can find your viewers engaged in YouTube searches. Okay, once you have, suppose if you have this content, suppose for this content, you can go ahead and you can save this content. You can go ahead and save this content so that you can come back to YouTube Studio and get a list of the saved content ideas from where you can create content for YouTube.